Hello! For today's vlog, meron na naman tayong susubukan na loan application na pwede ka daw humiram ng 20,000 and up. So ito na nga ay si MADA Loan App. Ito ay under kay iFund Lending Corporation Finance. Magda-download ka lang sa Google Play Store and of course mag-register ka using your phone number. Magsisend sila ng OTP and click proceed. At medyo nakakalito rin kasi yung loan amount is 8,000 pesos and yung advertisement nila is 20,000. Pero kung gusto mo namang ipagpatuloy, click mo lang yung apply for a loan and fill upan mo yung mga basic information mo. At pagkatapos mong fill upan lahat, i-click lang ang next step and for evaluation na yung application mo for 1 minute. And kung gusto mong malaman kung meron bang service fees or buo ba talaga yung makukuha mong loan amount dito sa loan app na to, please keep on watching. So, allow MADA Loan to access this device. 3,000 yung loanable amount na na-approve sa akin. 130 days loan term. Pero pag first timer, 7 days lang po talaga. At ito na nga yung moment of truth. May service fee na 600, 300 for management fee, transfer fee na 80 pesos. So total amount received is 2,020 pesos na lang. Pero kung need mo talaga ng pera, confirm at your own risk and make sure makakabayad ka within 7 days. Face verification ka lang, sundin mo lang yung steps and after that, another evaluation na naman. At nakakaloka, application denied for the reason na hindi ko daw na-meet yung criteria of credit approval nila. So ayun na nga, hindi tayo magkakautang for today's video. Buti na lang. See you in my next reviews. Thank you for watching.